Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Notion databases effectively. Notion databases are incredibly powerful tools for organizing all sorts of information, from simple task lists to complex project management systems. They allow you to structure your data in a flexible way, offering multiple views like tables, boards, and calendars to suit your needs. Remember, every single entry within a database is its own dedicated Notion page, providing ample space for detailed content and further organization. Let's dive in and unlock their full potential. Creating a new database in Notion is straightforward. Simply type a /, then database, and choose your preferred layout such as a table or board. Once created, you can add various properties to your database items. These properties might include text fields for names, number fields for quantities, date fields for deadlines, or multi-select tags for categorization. You can also customize how your data appears by adding new views, perhaps a calendar view for events or a gallery view for visual assets, giving you complete control over presentation. Notion databases offer several advanced features to enhance your organization. One powerful tool is the relation property, which allows you to link items across different databases, creating interconnected systems for projects and tasks. You can also leverage formulas to perform calculations, automate status updates, or combine information from various properties. Furthermore, filtering and sorting capabilities enable you to quickly narrow down your data to find exactly what you need, whether it's tasks due this week or items assigned to a specific team member. Notion databases have countless practical applications. You can manage complex projects by tracking tasks, assigning deadlines, and monitoring team member responsibilities, all within one centralized system. They are also excellent for organizing content calendars, whether for a blog, social media, or video production, ensuring consistent output. A helpful tip is to utilize Notion's database templates. These pre-built structures can save you significant time when setting up new databases for common uses, allowing you to get started in just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.